everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning some vintage toys in this super cute jewelry box. So I hope you enjoy, and remember to hit that subscribe button and comment and like and stuff. Yep. Oh, it's been a stressful week. Sorry this video's late. Okay. So yeah, let's get started. Look how pretty it is, all shiny and clean. So here is what we'll be cleaning today. I have some ponies and this little fairy tale bird from the 80s. Some 2000s ponies, and an 80s Barbie doll. I also have, over here, this little vintage jewelry box, which I don't know how to clean exactly, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. I've been looking online, and it says just to use some soapy water and a little toothbrush, so yeah, we'll figure it out, and stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and start. I don't know, what should we start with? Go ahead and start with Barbie. So I took off this Barbie's dress and I went ahead and put her in the sink with some soapy water. And as you can see here, I ran out of soap, so that's why there's like little bits of bubbles, and I was like, oof, I'm out of soap. But anyway, the water started to fill up and I started cleaning her some more. And then I'm like, there is no soap. None. Zero. So I went ahead and, well, yeeted the bottle and got a new one. Yeet! The other soap. Where's the other soap? Where's the other soap? There it is. Da-da-da-da, new soap. So I went ahead and got a new thing of soap. I'm just using this Bath & Body Works hand soap. Any soft hand soap should do. And I'm just taking this little wooden toothbrush and scrubbing off all the dirt. Be very gentle when you're scrubbing her face, as it is delicate. And yeah, just scrub off all the marks in the dirt, and yeah, then I went ahead and washed her hair. I just used a my shampoo I use on myself, and then I also here I'm playing with it, like making funny like like they do on TikTok, you know, the funny shapes with their hair. And then I just used a little bit of conditioner to help me comb it through. And I don't know if it was the conditioner or the hot water or if the glue that was holding her hair in place was old, but a lot of her hair kept falling out. I need some tips and tricks from you guys. How do you comb through tangled Barbie hair without all of it falling out? I was just like, this is so bad! And I'll explain more of that here in this next clip, but yeah, help me! So as you guys can see, I brushed through most of her hair. A lot of hair fell out, and I really don't know how to avoid that. Do you guys have any tips for me? Because I'm just starting to collect Barbie dolls, and it still kind of looks, well, it looks very not, I mean, it looks kind of cute. I think I'm going to go ahead and put it in curlers and try and fix the bangs, and then we'll move on to our next one. I put the curlers in, fixed her bangs, and we'll wait till tomorrow to see how she dries. On to the next thing. Da, 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 da. Look at this, you guys. I was trying to get the rubber band out of her hair, and now it's stuck in there, and she's just bouncy, 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 bounce. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and clean this one. And this Rainbow Dash, and yeah, like so. I'm gonna try and get this rubber band out of her hair. This McDonald's one's pretty cool. I've never seen this one. Yeah, see, I've got also a mullet Rainbow Dash here. She's fitting in with the times, I guess. She's fitting in with the times, I guess. Rock and roll, baby. Let's go. So I got this Rainbow Dash from the Goodwill bins, and I got the McDonald's toy from the flea market. And I'm gonna figure out how to rehair eventually, and I think I'll use this Rainbow Dash to help me, because somebody messed with their hair and now we got mullet Rainbow Dash, which is, you know, it's cool and all, but and then so I just went ahead and used this gentle hand soap as before. I used a little conditioner to clean out the little conditioner and shampoo to clean out the little McDonald's toy, and yeah, it looked nice, and I combed it out and stuff. Yep. Yeah, Rainbow Dash's hair will be easy to comb. I think I'm going to rehair this one as well. Mullet Rainbow Dash is cool and all, but you know. Ta-da! Done! See you guys in 2024. It needs more water. Ah! So it is currently 2024. Just kidding. I combed through all her hair. She looks beautiful. It is a little frizzy, but... oh, hello. It is a little frizzy, but she looks great. On to doing the other ponies! Woo! Oh! And don't forget to watch to the end, because I'm going to be trying to clean that little jewelry case, and I hope it turns out well, and I like this Barbie over here. Sorry, Barbie. You're awesome, though. I'll try and learn better ways how to clean Barbies. I only know how to clean ponies. I'll stop playing with this pony and get on with it. So, what am I doing? Right. So, I have these other G1 ponies who have all these scruffs and buffs on them, and I've had them for a while as I was going through my G1. I have a shoe or a hat box full of G1 My Little Ponies, and I'm gonna try and gently clean them. Ugh, guys, I'm losing motivation for cleaning all these, but I must get it done because they need it, and I have nothing else to do, so yeah, let's get started. Whee! So I'm just gently scrubbing her like so. I'm not going to be scrubbing by the cutie mark, as that's where glitter is, but very gently take your little toothbrush, and just scrub off all the dirt. And wash the hair just like before. Woo. So, just as before, I went ahead and cleaned these G1 ponies, and they looked fabulous, and I was very gentle and stuff, yep. So after cleaning all the My Little Ponies, I also had this little fairy tale bird, and I went ahead and combed out and cleaned all her hair, and put her hair in curlers too. And then it was time to wait for them to dry overnight, and I did not get to cleaning the jewelry box that day because I was very tired. As I said before in my intro, it's been a tiring week. But the next day I went ahead and got to cleaning it and pulled out the curls, of the Barbie and all the other ponies and things, as you'll see here. Alright, it is time to take out the curls. Let's see what happens. Ooh, wait, this could be a look. Hold on. Okay, so it's a little frazzled. But if we just break up the curls a little bit, she looks like the 70s now. So here she is with her dress back on. What do you guys think? More hair was still falling out. I don't know what I did wrong. Please help me out, friends, because maybe it was the hot water. I'm not quite sure. But do you think she looks better, or do you think... She definitely looks more like the 80s. Whoosh! So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pull out the other curlers on the ponies, and then we can get to... cleaning the jewelry box, which you've all been waiting for, because it is the next day. And, here's... Okay. Bouncy. Serendipity. This one came out beautiful, too. Mullet Rainbow Dash. On to cleaning this beautiful little jewelry box. So yeah, let's go. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. I will see you all in next week's video. I love you guys. And yeah, that's that. Instagram and Twitter down below. Bye.